But look at this fun stuff. The key is off. If I hit this brake, hey, the fucking headlight comes on. That's how you know you got the good one. Man, this thing's quality right here. That's why we're gonna tear it all apart and make it right. Got all this stuff off. We got the wiring harness off. We're about to chop off the headlight. We got all the pegs cut off. We're gonna put the center peg thing through. I'm just gonna make my own. What else? Then we gotta try to finagle this in there. I didn't get the same one everybody else got. So they sell these little plugs, these things for like 80 bucks a pair or something ridiculous. I'm just gonna like put some steel over it and weld them together. I mean, you know. Okay, so this isn't the normal tank that everybody uses to do these builds. This was 55 bucks. I like the cafe style dent right here. So this is what I did. I put a piece of flat bar across so that it would hang here. So I knew that's how high I wanted it. So then I snuck the round thing underneath when I knew how long it had to be and how much support. So that goes all the way forward. What I did here was I just bent the tabs on the tank down. Not sure you can see that. See right here? I bent them down so it would pass here. And then I just welded a little tab onto that screw there. So once we tighten it down, everything should be nice and snug. Plus I'm gonna wrap this stuff under here with probably a bunch of electrical tape so it's nice and quiet. And that's it. That's a big sucker. That's at least a gallon, or maybe even a gallon and a half. I'm not sure. Well, I really like the indent. Not too many people have got that. It adds a little flair in there. Got the Ric Flair drip. And so then the seat, in order to get the seat to fit, I basically had to peel this corner, see, and cut the plastic back so that when the seat goes on, it fits in there nice and snug. Like I said, this one's a little bit bigger than the other ones that you can get, a little bit longer. So on this one, we are waiting on some parts. The throttle cable, of course, on a lot of times in these TMs you'll run into is that the length that the cable sticks out is too far. So I don't like taking it up here and making my own little nipple on there. I don't like that. I leave this one and I make it up here. I can cut that little barrel off in there and then put a solderless cable nipple, they call it, which you just put the cable through and a little set screw sets it. And then I dip that sucker in super glue and set it with the super glue set. And I haven't had any problems, and that's an easy way to adjust your cable throw. So we're waiting for that to come. It comes Sunday. It is now Friday. What else we got? The jug is coming. Piece of steel for the foot pegs and foot pegs are coming. What else? We got the tank on. We got to put some electrical tape in there. Make her nice and snug and quiet. And I think that'd be about it. Oh, I gotta run the fuel tank stuff when that comes in the mail too. But this should be super easy because a TM carb isn't supposed to be used with a pulse pump. So it's just straight gravity feed with a filter. Should be super easy. But this thing should be a riot. This thing should be more than enough. So, and I get to turn it all around. My wife about shit her pants when she seen that I tore it all apart. But like, this thing is a piece of shit when you buy it. It really is. This is all the stuff I took off of it. It's mostly plastic and crap. The metal, the steel is so soft. You can literally grab one of these tabs and just bend it. It's, wow. I don't know what they use. Some maybe Chinese steel is, well, I ain't even answering that one, as we all know. So I was able to tape all the crap off of it, and you can see in the other video when you hit the brake, the freaking headlight and brake light would turn on, and just even with the key off. It was just ridiculous. And so with this one, I don't know what I'm going to paint that. I kind of like it silver. I might just scuff it up and put a clear on it. Give it kind of that rough look, you know what I mean? This is going to get all scratched to shit anyways, so I'm not going to... Either that or I'll do it this red and goldy looking paint here. I have a whole another can of this stuff, so we'll see. But I kind of like the way it looks.